In this video, side sitting or kneel sitting to standing will be seen. First, side sit, pull to stand. Here the person is sitting in side sitting position in front of the wall bar. One upper extremity is brought forward and supported by the wall bar. Our hand placement will be on the pelvis and assist the lifting of pelvis. The person will come into kneel standing. After that, we will bring strong leg forward so that the person comes into half kneeling position. The weak leg is kept backward to support the body. Then we will bring the upper extremities above the level of shoulder and grab the wall bar so that they can assist in pulling while coming to standing position. This is walk standing. In this position, we will assist weaker lower extremity to bring forward and then the person will be in the standing position. Next is kneel sit and push to stand. The person will be in kneel sitting. In this position, wall bar will be in the front of the patient. We will be supporting the pelvis to lift and the person will come into kneel standing. Upper extremities are supported by the wall bar. The person will bring strong lower extremity to come into half kneeling and then will push on the wall bar to come into standing position. Next is therapist supported side sit to standing. Here the person is in side sitting in front of the therapist. The therapist will assist him into come into kneel sitting position by lifting the pelvis. Then the upper extremities are supported on the shoulders of the therapist and the therapist will come into half kneeling position so that he can lift the pelvis and bring the patient into kneel standing position just in front of the therapist. Strong leg is brought forward again so the patient is assisted in half kneeling, and in this position we will grasp and support the pelvis so that patient can pull and come into walk standing position. After that, weak lower extremity is also supported to come forward and the person will come into standing position. Thank you for watching the video.